Safai Rhodri wrth ochr llyn mawr a syllu allan i'r gorwel, cyn gwneud ei ffordd fyny'r llwybr sy'n ei arwain yn ôl i'r gwersyll dros dro a'r tân coed.
Better than airports. Yes. And what are these ones again? In Flaenau Ffestiniog?
Rory'n dangos llun ar ffôn i Rhodri sy'n gwneud iddo redeg at Efa.
Oh. Yeah, twice so far.
Efa'n sylwi fod Max yn ddistaw.
Ti'n okay?
Yeah, it's just hard, isn't it? Seeing some of the stuff is... I don't know if I want to know.
Well, you don't have to see it, you know?
Well, actually, we sort of do.
Why?
Well, all those people, like, they must be calling us for a reason, right?
Some of them just want to speak to
Yeah, I get that. But even then, there's like a lesson to learn, isn't there?
What do you mean?
I don't know, there's like a whole new world there. Like, we can see how they live, how things change, like how they cope.
Yeah, but you see some of that stuff that's coming through, you don't find that hard?
Nice.
What? I mean, you saw those pictures of Swansea, right? So much of it was under...
Yeah, but didn't that make you want to do something about it?
Well,
like now?
No, actually, it just made me feel like there isn't anything that we can do because it's all already happened.
Yeah, but has it though?
Well,
if we know what's coming, doesn't that give us the opportunity to change it so we can make different choices,
But we
man?
do
We can
know.
change that.
That's what's so messed up is we do know what's going to happen. We know that we're shitting all over nature and we know that burning oil will kill us and we know that we're choking oceans and actually what these messages are doing are telling us that we just carry on and it's too late and the worst happens. It actually happens.
No, the worst doesn't actually happen. We do eventually make the changes that we need to. And so many things get better.
Yeah? Like what? Well, what gets better? Oh, come on, tell us. You've seen it.
Are there still nuclear weapons?
When was the last war?
How many species have we lost?
Wait, are people still racist?
Homophobic?
Still racist.
Guys.
Who runs the world? Who's
Guys,
making the
I have
decisions?
told you I can't answer you!
No! You could! But you are choosing not to.
Max yn cerdded I ffwrdd ar Rory'n ei dilyn gan adael Efa gyda Rhodri.
What about us? What do you mean? Rod, please. What, you mean deaf culture? Yeah, it does. Oh, okay.
Do I have kids?
Max!
Well, I mean, I never really thought about it before, but do I?
Psychopods!
You don't know.
How can you not know? We're not in touch anymore, are we?
Is that true? Are we not mates?
You're 16. The Eva, you know, is 16 and I'm sorry, but you're just kids.
Stop saying that. Yeah, maybe we should be. Yeah, but we're not. Okay, and how are we supposed to be kids when we know all of what's coming? Oh my God, kids! Kids! Oh, yeah, I wish.
Max, I'm sorry, but you are. And a lot can change in 30 years. Look, I understand it might not feel like it now, but you're actually pretty lucky, all of you.
Yeah?
Oh.
And why is that?
Because you get to be the ones that make the change. You're there when humanity goes through this extraordinary transition. You are part of that. And like I said, so many things can happen in 30 years. So much can be done. And so many people are going to thank you for that. Billions.
Well, when you put it like that, I mean,
People?
so you need to tell people you're the only person that's seen the future, seen the change.
I've told you before, I can't. Well,
Yeah, I mean, you're telling us that we find solutions, but only after loads of bad shit happens. Can't you just help us to get there quicker?
maybe we needed the bad shit to happen.
Yeah,
Like,
but things are different now.
why?
Because you're here. Ti yma nawr, Eva. Fan hyn.
It's really risky to... The future is something you make, you know?
Yeah, exactly.
I have a life there. You know, I have a wife who I love. I have friends that I love. And if I say too much, I can lose them. I can lose everything.
You care about them more than us.
No, it's not like that.
Isn't it?
It's not only me. Don't you understand? I could change things for everyone.
The 16-year-old you would.
What?
The Eva that we know, she would do it. Now or never, that's what she would say.
Yeah, she wouldn't be scared of the future. You know what she'd say? She'd say, screw it. Let's stir this shit up.
Because it doesn't exist for her. It does for me.
Ooh, so you're saying it's not ours as well? All of those years just because we haven't lived them yet?
No, it's just...
Oh, come on, Eva. This must have happened for a reason, right? Like, what's the point of all this if you're not going to help people? Our Eva would.
Maybe she would. But I'm not your Eva, am I?
Nah. But she's in there somewhere.
Rory'n gadael Efa ac mae hi'n syllu yn unlle tra'n brathu ei thafod.